GBPUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about pound against dollar. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then subscribe, like and share. And if you're old to the channel and you watch the videos but your hands and fingers gets broken if you have to like and subscribe, then leave the video. Okay? You will watch my video and you will not subscribe and you're like, okay, leave the video, don't watch it. Who's asking you to watch it? Nobody's forcing you to watch my videos, right? You can't subscribe, you can't like, it's too much for you. You know, you're physically disabled, you don't have hands and fingers to like and subscribe, right? Get out. Don't watch my videos. Get the hell out of here. Those who are sticking here, do yourself a favor, subscribe and like. I'm not dying for you to subscribe and like. You need my content. I don't need you to watch my videos. Are we clear so far? So if your ego is too much, maybe mine is bigger than yours. So do yourself a favor, subscribe, like, and share. That's your responsibility. These buttons are for you, not for me. Do you get it? I'm telling you the last time and the first time. You need my videos, I don't need you. Okay, what do we have here? So below we have a link says swing like a pro. So if you click on the link, then you will come to this page right here where you can go and join these setups and you can join this program if you want and you can enter and exit with me, okay? Then you have book one-to-one consultation. If you want to speak with me, then you can book consultation and you can always join my free Telegram, okay? And those people whose hands and fingers are broken, they can't like and subscribe, get out, idiots. Yeah, you will watch free videos, you will make free money from my videos, and your ego is that, oh, I'm not gonna like and subscribe his videos. Get the fuck out of here. I don't need you. You need my content. I don't need you. Get the fuck out of here. Don't watch my videos, okay? Get out. Idiot. All right, what we got? So we got, let's see, let's do the top-down approach. Sometimes you have to, sometimes you have to make these idiots understand who's the boss, okay? If you are so super smart, then don't come and watch my videos. You don't need me, right? You don't need me. Get out. Why are you here? Why are you watching the video? You will come here. You will watch every single fucking analysis I do, and then your hands and fingers are broken that you can't like and subscribe my channel or, blah, blah, blah. It's not like I need your subscription or your likes. I don't need it. It's your responsibility to do it, okay? If you watch my free videos, you need to do it. It's your responsibility. Otherwise, get the fuck out of here. Enough is enough, okay? Get out. If you can't subscribe and like. Nobody's dying for you to like, subscribe. Let me get that clear. But it is you who owe me. I don't owe you anything. If you make $1 from my videos, you owe me. If you make $100 from my videos, you owe me. I owe you nothing. Idiots. Daily, okay, weekly job. Where are we? Okay, let's do this. So top-down approach. We are in weekly time frame. So this low had been rejected and wigged, which means we are probably not going to go down anymore. So coming back to daily time frame, in daily again, you can see here, this is the low, which has been wigged. So the support has been touched and wigged, and the candle has turned into a hammer. 4 hour is what? 4 hour is, I think the down move is over because we have bullish engulfing. So we will have to wait and watch because it has to take a relief now. So we can counter trade for long. Yeah, I don't think it, because after this bullish candle, I don't think it's going to go down. So we have to take a relief bounce, and that might go until here or until EMA, okay? So I think we have got the rejection from the support, so we should go up for the time being. All right, if you want to exit and enter with me, then join this program, Swing Like a Pro. And do I have to say this again? Subscribe, like, and share if your hands and fingers are not broken. Till then, take care.